You see, money works like women. The more you chase money, the more you will never get it. What's up, my inspired alphas? Welcome back to another video. Today, we are talking about the truths about money. This is step 2. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into it. So, number 1, never chase money. Guys, never chase money. You see, money works like women. The more you chase money, the more you will never get it. This is because you are coming from a scarcity mindset. You are coming from a place of, I do not have money, so I am going to chase the money to get it. Just like the way when you think, I don't have women, so I'm going to chase women to get women into my life. The more you chase, the more they run away. It works exactly in money. You see, what rich people have come to understand is that you have to create value in you so that you can attract money. You want to be the guy who money is chasing. Wherever you go, you want to be the guy that money sees you and it's, oh my God, come here. Yes, you want to be that guy. And how do you do this? You focus on greater things. Let's say it's building a skill. If you're building a skill in order to make money, then you will get bored with that skill. But if you're building a skill because it will improve you, it will improve the person or the guy that you are. This is where money chases you. Just think about athletes. Athletes don't become best athletes because of money. It's because they enjoy doing it. It's because they enjoy, being the best. And if you approach everything in your life like that, you want to be the best in what you do. You want to offer value. You want to improve the lives of people. You'll find that money will follow you. Guys, so never chase money. When you chase money, you will find you're doing things that are not you. You will lose yourself when you're chasing money. Number 2, it will take time. Yes, making money will take time because whatever takes time has more value. You see, it is connected to number 1, you never chase money, you build value. So, in the process of you building value, adding value to who you are, this is where it takes time because you have to work out a lot of issues. You have to work out a lot of issues so that you can see the physical manifestation of the value that you have. Remember, the amount of money you have right now is a reflection of the value that you have. It takes time to see the physical manifestation of the amount of value you've been adding to you. So, just continue putting in the work and you will see the results in time. Number 3, mindset equals money. Mindset equals money. This is a key one because people think, well, how do you make money? It's simple. Once you change your mindset, every time you change your mindset, you find that the value that you have increases. Now, let me give you an example. You are an average guy. You are just an average guy with an average mindset, working a 9-to-5 job. And then you decide to change your mindset and be like, I would like to be my own boss. So every time you are working towards being your own boss, because when you won't just think and become. You have to put in the work. So every time, let's say for example, you overcome the fear of rejection. That is, you have changed your mindset. Meaning now, if you don't fear rejection, you'll be able to approach more people. You'll be able to interact with more people. You will increase your opportunities. Meaning you will increase your value. So guys, every time you change your mindset, you improve your mindset, you'll find that more money comes in. More money comes in. So guys, mindset equals money. Keep that in mind and just test it for yourself. Last but not the least, you have to trust the process. You have to trust the process. You see, guys out here want an easy life. Guys want an easy way out. The only easy way out is through putting in the work and consistently, consistently working hard. And you must trust the process, because this is the process. You must go step by step until you reach to the top. There is no elevator, guys. There is no elevator. You must trust the process. For you to make money, you must trust the process, my guys. So I know by the end of the 365 days, my guys, each and every one of you who is putting in the effort, I am promising you that you will be making money. You will be on your journey to financial freedom. So guys, trust the process. So as you're still thinking about the ideas that you think you can be best at, keep in mind these money truths. They will come in handy later. Alright? So hopefully guys, you got value from today's video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.